welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to see Google Maps timeline. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply follow these simple and easy steps. Now simply tap on your Maps app. Once you tap on your maps, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply tap on your profile on the top right hand side of the corner. So once you have done this, you can find your timeline option right below your profile. Simply tap on it, and now once you have done this, you need to hit the continue button. So all you can see is the places that you have been today, and now you can simply browse your timeline organized by dates to see where you have been. And now to see or visits to a particular location, find the location on the map and then scroll down slightly and expand your last viewed location. So by doing this, you can see Google Maps timeline. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.